Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting proper gain structure and a reference mix. This is critical. First, get input trims so peaks sit around -6 to -3 dB and make sure no channel is clipping. Next, confirm kick and snare phase and polarity. Flip if the attack disappears. Once done, build a simple monitor balance so the drums sit at performance level. This ensures EQ decisions are made in context and not in isolation, which saves time and prevents chasing problems later. Next, you perform surgical cuts and control resonances. Start by sweeping a narrow cue to find boxy 200-500 HC buildup on toms, snare, and kick, then notch it by 26 dB. This opens space. Once those problems are solved, add musical, wide cue boosts around 25 kHz for attack and clarity. 36 dB is a guideline, not a rule. Also, high-pass non-bass drums between 80 and 150 Hz to remove stage rumble. Finally, you glue the kit and finalize balance. Route mics to a drum bus, apply gentle parallel compression, short attack, medium release to taste, and consider a subtle 100 Hz low shelf to add weight. Make small EQ moves while listening to the full band, and always a /B with bypass to verify improvements. If things go wrong, troubleshoot. Check phase relationships, microphone placement, gain staging, and excessive bleed. Fixing the source is faster than over-EQing, so address physical issues before more processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.